Alright, Jordy lad, so just to let everybody know before the video starts, our bro Jordy Carving Fusion has a big competition coming up. You just want to head over to the Carving Fusion World of Wood Carvers group on Facebook. You can find out all about it, or just go over to Jordy's channel, Carving Fusion, on the YouTube. Check out his latest video. The wee challenge is coming up here. It's going to be very good, guys, so everybody check that out. Here we go. Right, folks, up here from I Can Carve. Just wanted to show you today. I have this wee wood spirit. I carved it a while ago in a bit of driftwood, and I was wanting to make like a background for it. So what I've done is, and I'll show you in the video, I got just an old bit of fence board, and what I've done was I used a burner, burned around the outside of it all. Well, first I hit it with a chainsaw just to rough up the edges, and then I got the wee wood burner, burnt it all around the edge, and then I got this here Danish sword, dark Jacobean Danish sword, and that's what I buff onto the edges of it. And what we ended up with is this here. And that was two other ones that I had done this afternoon. That one I done more Soshugi Ban, and there's another one. So ended up making those wee style boards just out of a simple board there, just burning it and cutting it, and you end up nice wee place to put the carvings onto. He looks well on that one. He looks well on that one too. Or I could put him onto there, so it's all good. There we go, just a wee quick video to show you how you can make a good wee background. Nice and easy, just for your smaller carvings. And it gives them a nice wee piece. I'll wait till they've finished off, and then I'll maybe just do another wee bit of lacquer on them or something just to finish them. But they're still drying at the minute, so once they're all finished, I'll do it up and I'll put a picture up when it's all done. But there you go, guys, hopefully that helps some of you out. Give us a wee idea on things you can do to just to help hang up the background. And in case anyone else wonders what I've been at, that's an owl I carved. That's the second one. I've just started it now. It's not finished the details. I've done it both of them using a chainsaw. That's my first owlet that I ever done with a chainsaw. I was really pleased with how that turned out. So once I've done that, that was just in a big chunk of cedar I had. Once I've done that there, then I decided, right, I'm going to do another one. But the owl's not that thick. It's only very thin. Probably 3 inches at the most. So I've done that owl and that wee owl, and then today I decided to do a wee background. I just want to say hello to Pamela, hello to Arspeg, and hello to Just Carve Rob, hello to 100% to Larry B. Dibbs. Larry B. Dibbs is a big inspiration for me, guys. So big shout out to just everybody. I want to shout out for Claire too, Chris the Vacuum Warrior, and Chris our Skipper. That's my wee carving studio, guys. I got a wee floor pot down. That's a jaw horse up there today, and then you can see there's my Irish hair that I'm working on. So it should be coming soon too. I hope everyone's doing good. Keep up the carving and stay creative, guys. So that's going to be the end of this wee video. I hope everybody's getting ready to do the challenge here with Jordy. I'm going to give it a go this time, so there we go, all good. Hope you all have a nice day now. Everybody keep up the good work, and hopefully you enjoyed that wee video. Showed you how easy I made a wee background, and it would be good any carving stuck onto that. It's very simple, just out of the board. We rough it up with a chainsaw or even a handsaw, and then burn it, a wee bit of stain, and you're good to go. So all good, everybody. Just stay creative. Big bop here from I Can Carve. I'll see you all later.